beautiful people. Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing my monthly favourites for September. I have got quite a few things kind of rounded up. But if you are new here, I am Luce Stephenson, but you can call me Luce because we're all friends here. If you are new, don't forget to hit subscribe and give this video a thumbs up so I know to do this next month and for so on and so forth. And don't forget to enter my huge giveaway linked down below. It'll also be linked at the end on the end screen as well. And let's just get straight into what I've been absolutely loving throughout September. So the first three products are ones that I am so excited to share with you. I've actually became an ambassador for the brand and it was very kindly gifted to me. So basically the brand Anna Luisa have gifted me the pearl stud, the little pearl hoops, and also the necklace as well. I am obsessed, like absolutely obsessed with this. Like I said, I am an ambassador for the brand, and the thing that kind of drew me when they contacted me, the thing that kind of drew me to the brand is I have been on the hunt for some little hoops, some little earrings that I can wear that won't kind of go all tarnished. I bought some from this one website and then I ordered like some bigger hoops so I could have it in both holes, and I ordered something else and they didn't match colour wise, and I messaged them about it and I was like, I think I've been sent the wrong colour, and they're like, oh yeah, we've changed how we do it now, but we won't be able to guarantee that any of them will all match. So I was like, okay, so I got a refund and I was like back to square one. Then I got some really cheap ones off eBay for like £4 and they went green and they made my ear hole go green within days. They went so tarnished and so weird. I ended up getting a refund for them because they sent another one out and it didn't even end up arriving, so I got a refund for them. So when they contacted me, I was like, actually, it's a tarnish-free jewellery, which is exactly what I'm after. And I wanted to put it to the test to see whether it was actually true to what it claims to do. So it is exceptional quality, like exceptional quality, these earrings and this necklace. Like, I'm so impressed. So impressed. Like the packaging, I'm going to get into it all anyway, but basically yeah, the reason I wanted them is because they're long lasting tarnish free jewellery and there's no luxury markups to the brand as well, so things start at $39, I don't know if it's $39 or £39, but things start literally as low as $39, and I'll put some little close-ups up on the screen for you to see now. So I got the pearl stud, I got the hoop with the pearl drop, and I also got the chain necklace as well, which is just beautiful. And I like the length of this chain, so it can go a tiny little bit longer, but it doesn't go so short that it kind of chokes me in a way. I get claustrophobic really easily over stuff like that, and I'm always like pulling my things down. So I like that it just naturally sits in a really, really cute place. But yeah, I thought I'll show you the packaging as well. So it comes with this kind of packaging, and oh my god, when I opened it I was like, this is so fancy. So it's smaller packaging, less waste and more love. They are completely carbon neutral, and the zero carbon footprint obviously was achieved in like the middle of 2020 roughly. I loved the little cards that came in, so every single piece of jewellery came in this cloth bag. I felt so bougie opening all of these up, I'm not even kidding you. I do have a discount code for 10% off. I don't earn any money off it or anything like that. It will just literally get you 10% off to save you some moolah as well. And yeah, I just really wanted something that looked really cute. I really struggled as well to find a hoop that, it's going to sound so daft, but I didn't want a hoop that was too big where it made me look like, I kept saying to my friend, I don't want to look like a pirate. I don't know why that was in my head. I wanted a hoop that naturally sat really comfortably just underneath my ear. And it wasn't like having that big gap there, which is one of the earrings that I paid like over £20 for. The hoop was meant to be little, but it wasn't. It was massive, and it just looked, I did wear it for a couple of videos a couple of months ago, but it just looked a mess. Like I didn't like it at all, and I've never worn it since. So yeah, I always have the little stud and the little hoop with the little drops. You'll have seen them in all my previous videos that I've been filming for the past couple of days, because it's all like that I'm filming today. But I am honestly so impressed as well. But I will leave the link down below for the 10% off. But like I said, every single piece of jewellery came in its own little cloth bag, and then they all came obviously attached to the Anna Luisa cards. Some of them had a little slogan on the back, so this one said, they look good attached to me, even better attached to you. And I just think it's amazing. The actual box itself is their own branding, and it's made from 100% recycled paper, and it says please continue to recycle as well. So I actually keep boxes like this to package things back up in and send them out when I'm selling stuff or doing giveaway prizes and stuff like that. I always reuse them anyway, so that'll definitely be getting reused. But I just thought I'd share with you this brand because I'm obsessed, absolutely obsessed with them. But yeah, thank you so much, Anna, Luisa, for sending this to me. I feel very, very spoiled. I'm very, very proud and happy to be an ambassador for the brand as well. So that is actually my favourite of this month. I just love it, and I've worn them. I wore them when I got my hair done as well, and I forgot that I had them in because obviously I've just been wearing them and sleeping in them, which is so comfy to sleep in, by the way. But I wore them to get my hair done, and there was nothing. Like, it didn't ruin them. The water or anything didn't bother them. Yeah, I'm just so impressed. But I'll leave links down below, including the 10% discount code. And let's just get straight into my other favourites. So the first thing is going to be such a random one. This is actually the pop socket that came with my Nikki Tutorials palette that I bought off Beauty Bay. So this is just what it looks like. And obviously you can see my little Lion King phone holder and my little Lion King case that I got off eBay, if anyone's wondering. I think I paid like £5 or something for it. But I'm absolutely loving having a pop socket on my phone again. I used to be obsessed with pop sockets, and then I took one off. I think it wasn't working very well, it broke or something, and I got a new holder for my phone in my car, and it doesn't fit on with a pop socket, so that's the only downside of me having this back on again. But I've missed having a pop socket. I've missed it so much. I've got quite a few makeup. I've got one skincare and, well, two skincare technically, and the rest are makeup, so I'll start with the two skincare ones first. The first one is the Elemis Peptide Plumping Pillow Facial. It's a hydrating sleep mask. I absolutely love this, to the point where if I ran out of like masks to sleep in, like sleeping kind of masks, not like normal clay masks and that kind of stuff, I would buy this again because I have so many. I don't really want to, but this is probably the one that I've noticed a difference with straight away. Like straight away. So yeah, I'm really impressed by that. I have been loving this SPF from the Roche-Posay as well. This is just a 30 SPF. I can't remember why I bought this like ages ago, and then I really got into it. But yeah, I got that one, and I absolutely love this. I think it's really, really nice. It sits well underneath my makeup as well, which is one of the biggest things for me with SPF, is obviously I want to make sure that it actually goes well underneath my makeup and doesn't interfere with it as well. I've got a couple ones that have been in previous makeup favourites. So the first one is the MAC Studio Fix Powder Foundation. This is in the NC30 shade, which just looks like this. If you buy this foundation powder, I would always recommend going shades above what you actually are. So like this actually isn't as dark as what NC30 is. It's probably more so NC20 than anything else, and I can use this all over my skin, and if it goes on really nicely and it doesn't look too dark as well. So I'd always recommend going shades darker, because I've done that before where I got the NC20 shade or NC25 and it was so much lighter. So I would recommend going quite a few shades higher for the Studio Fix Powder Foundation. Another one which you'll have seen me absolutely raving about and using in basically all my videos is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in medium brown. It's basically the Dip Brow Pomade gel. So it's the Dip Brow Pomade inside, but also gel, and it's literally all I use on my brows. It's all I've got on my brows today. It's so easy and so like simple to use. Literally brush it through your brows and that's it. Sometimes I like press it a little bit more onto my skin if I want a bit more thickness, or my brows a bit more sparse. But yeah, absolutely love that, and I got it on Beauty Bay when it was in the discount for like £6, £6, something crazy like that, which isn't that much more expensive than the NYX one, which I absolutely love. But obviously it's Anastasia Beverly Hills. It is a mini one, but it's lasted me for absolutely ages, so I would highly recommend. The next one is also an oldie, but an absolute goodie. I've actually got this on today mixed with a little bit of the Doll Beauty Like a Diamond highlighter as well. But it's mainly this one that I've got on. This is the Laura Geller, that's her name, isn't it? Yeah, Laura Geller This is the Gilded Honey Baked Gelato Swirl Illuminator. So it just looks like this. You can see there's a massive hole in the middle. It is absolutely amazing. It's really good if you've got a bit of fake tan on as well. But yeah, absolutely love that. Another one which used to be in my favourites many years ago. I was watching back my monthly favourites the other week, and I was thinking, God, I used to absolutely love this for setting my under eyes. Why did I stop using it? Like, why did that even come about? And it's basically, this is the Pixie Book of Beauty Contour Creator Shape and Shade. And I've had this, as you can tell by the packaging, I've had this for so long. But I love this. I mean, if it actually focuses, that'd be really nice. Thank you very much. I love this shade on the end here to put underneath your eyes to set your concealer in place. It adds brightness to the under eyes as well. And I'm back in the hype again. I'm absolutely loving it. I also have it on today. What else do we have? We have the foundation. This is literally probably like quite a sneaky one to put into my September favourites because I've literally used it today. But I just know that I've been wowed by it so much that I have to put it in my favourites. So this is the Tarte Light Medium Neutral Amazonian Clay Full Coverage Foundation, which just looks like this. And I'm actually wearing it today. I'm really impressed by it. It is really full coverage. And I'm loving it. I think it looks really nice. It definitely wouldn't be one that I'd wear like for work. It would be more like a filming, special occasion, want to make an effort kind of foundation. But if you have quite a lot of scarring or acne or spots or anything like that, I'd recommend that because the Amazonian Clay is really good for your skin, but also it's full coverage as well. So it covers everything and makes you look flawless. Another one is something that I've recently bought but also recently tried. I tried this in my Nikki Tutorials palette tutorial thing that I did, and this is basically the P. Louise and Mimi Mitchell Acid Rain. What's it actually called? A cosmetic paint. This is in the shade Blank Canvas. So it's basically like a really thick, I don't know if it's going to focus or not. It's a really thick base for you to use to cut the crease. You could use it like in your waterline as like an eyeliner and stuff. I haven't tried that yet. I don't know how that'll work with my contact lenses. I don't know whether it'll get onto my contact lenses or not. But yeah, I'm really excited to try this more. I've only ever tried it that once with the Nikki Tutorials video that I did, but I'm really excited to try it more, and it wowed me that much. It entered my September favourites. Quite a similar scenario for the last one. This is my Too Faced Hangover RX 3-in-1 Replenishing Primer and Setting Spray. I literally tried this yesterday for the first time. I've had this since Christmas. My mum got me this for Christmas in a gift set that Boots did, and like literally the first time I tried it was yesterday. That's bad, isn't it? Like, it's September, Lucy. And I've tried it as a primer, which I really liked. And I've also tried it today as a setting spray, which I really liked. It gives a nice glow to the skin. I feel like it does help. The feel it gives on your skin when you put it on as a setting spray, I feel like it's helping. I don't know how to explain it. But it also gives you a bit of glow. It helps with any kind of powderiness that you've got. And yeah, I'm just really impressed by it. I wasn't expecting to be. It would never have been something that I would have picked up if it wasn't in that gift set. But it makes me excited to try the primer because I've got that and I haven't tried it yet. Oh god, it's so bad. But anyways, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please do check out the Anna Luisa brand because I am honestly, I'm absolutely chuffed to be a brand ambassador for them. And I literally wear these every single day. I sleep in them. And they're really comfortable. So you will be seeing them in all my future videos as well. And yeah, I am just, I don't know, I'm just really happy. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll hopefully see you, what day is this that I'm filming this? Monthly favourites. I'll see you tomorrow for the start of Vlogtober, where I'm going to be uploading a brand new video every 2 days, and it'll be a giveaway coming tomorrow. Today is the last day, by the way, to enter the September giveaway. So it's linked on the screen right now. It's linked down below. Go enter. It's the last day to enter. It'll end at midnight tonight, and there'll be a new giveaway going live tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching. I love you so much. Bye, guys.